Hello and good morning. It is currently 10:40 a.m. and I'm here in my sunroom as usual to study for the AP Calc exam. Without further ado, I'm gonna go to class and study after. So, yeah. Class just finished, and so it is now time for me to answer a bunch of free response questions. I finished in 8 minutes and 27 seconds. I will check my answers. Honestly, after this exam, I will literally be at the point of senioritis, which I'm very excited about because I've been meaning to do that. I just wanted to do well on this one first. But I have been watching Suspicious Partner since last night, and I could not sleep because I wanted to watch the new, the next episodes of where I was. And yeah, so I've watched a ton of K-dramas throughout the quarantine. I think I've watched 6. Anyway, that's insane, but we're gonna finish off with another one. So far I've done 3, this one and then this one. I'm gonna do 2 more probably, and then I'll call it a day. So, yeah. So that will be all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and studying with me. I am very scared for this test, so hopefully I will get a good score. And yeah, I'll find out in July. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed studying with me, and I hope you also studied, or I don't know, left me in your background. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope you all keep growing. Bye!